Hi, welcome you all. This is the chapter cell, problem number 6. These questions ask us what is the main function of the nucleolus. Our stresses are ribosomal RNA synthesis, DNA replication, cell division or chromosomal assembly. So as we know there is going to be nucleus in eukaryotic cells but also there will be in nucleolus. So these three functions right here are going to be functions of the nucleus. That will include DNA replication, cell division and chromosomal assembly, right? Because during the cell division we have to separate the nuclear content before separating the cytoplasmic contents. That is why mitosis proceeds prior to cytokinesis or the splitting of the cytosolic contents. So if we had a look at what the main function of the nucleolus, then it must not be the function of the nucleus since it's completely different structure. Well, it will be ribosomal RNA synthesis. Is we have to remember the ribosomal RNA is going to perform the catalytic functions of the ribosomes. So it is not a protein that will allow for translation to occur. It is not. It is not a protein that is going to be responsible for the function of ribosomes. It is actually the RNA that is actually very important things to note is that the RNA is the ribosomes is doing all the work in allowing for translation to occur and protein synthesis to be conducted. So what is the function of the nucleolus as well? That is going to be special location there we are synthesizing ribosomal RNA. So that is why choice A is the correct answer here. I hope you understand this well. Thank you. So let's go to comment section, write your doubts. Okay dear all, bye bye. If you like this talk, please do the like button and don't forget to subscribe.